Yes, so you see no stick to this side now. See?
Okay, so that's the one. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
We're gonna cook some white rice. Some nice white rice. So
2.5 cups of water to 2 tablespoons of butter.
3 scoops of rice to that boiling water.
That's 3 cups. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna wash our rice.
So much time you wash your rice?
Depends on how the water come out. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3.
Okay, so you wash your rice until the water runs clear.
Like this now, if you wash 3 times because the water still strong.
The water is a bit cloudy, so you have to give it about 3 wash until the water runs clear.
Nice yellow water, so the rice gonna be yummy.
Nice and rich.
And ready and smell good. Some people put garlic in there. No, you can put a crush of garlic if you want. Boil the water. But me now put one in there.
You just put straight butter, salt. You put salt in it? 3.5 cups of water to 3 cups of rice, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then she added in 1.5 teaspoons of salt because this is salted butter, so you don't need a lot of salt for this one.
Well, this rice is gonna be nice. Real nice.
That's the thing, that's the thing, you know, with the Jamaican butter, nice and rich. So you know you have enough water.
Cause you can't see the rice.
Okay.
So if you can't see the rice, that means the water too much.
Okay, okay, so basically me normally test it with my finger. So you test it by if you can see the rice grains, you have to put an amount of water. So that's a new method for me.
So when it dry now, you just use a piece of plastic, wet up the plastic and cover it and turn it down lower. So the sweat off of the plastic now, steam the rice, so you don't have to add water to it. Nice. If you add water to it, it will taste bad.
Okay, so all the condensation just steam the rice beautifully. Yeah.
So we prepare the plastic bag now to put over the rice. As soon as the rice dry, I go turn it on a lower.
Yes, with a plastic bag.
Yes,
and set it aside.
Right.
Okay. So wash a plastic
My drainer
bag.
clean people, it's called my drainer.
Say that again?
I say my drainer well clean by white, so I can put the plastic in there.
Okay, so when we say our drainer nice and clean, that she store her dishes, so she just wash the plastic bag and cut it and put it down inside the drainer, and once the rice is ready to steam, she'll cover it up to trap the extra steam and get it nice and good.
This is where you turn it down.
Once you have a little bit of water bubbling and you can see the rice grains, that's when you lower the flame to the minimum. Then you cover it with the wet plastic bag now to properly trap the steam, get the rice nice and shelly. So this is the same bag that the rice came in. We just wash it, cut the bag, and then for the ink now, this ink does not run. But if you're concerned about it, you can turn it upside down so that it's not touching the rice, right? So now I'm gonna check your rice and look at that rice.
Good to go. Good to go.
Nice and fluffy. So what you do now? Once you remove the bag, you turn off the stove.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on.
And you kind of fluff the rice.
No, I'm gonna put it in the
Water?
bottom of the stick. In the bottom first stick, you catch some water in the sink. and put the pot in there.
Okay, so your rice now stick to the pot bottom.
Yes.
So that's a major tip that you can learn from. Water in the bottom of the sink, and you put the pot in there. Okay.
Can't take out like no.
So you just put the pot in some water.
Whoa, look at this, guys. Yes, so you see no stick to this side now. See?
Okay, so that's the water trick. So you just got a trick right there how
So you
to.
don't stick in a pot.
Okay, how to properly. So I'm learning right now, you know. See that rice look nice and fluffy.
If you never put in the water, the rice be champ on the side of the pot.
Okay, see me I tell you, say I have some important tips where a lot of people and myself are happy to learn. You never stop learning, you know. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about mommy cooking. Any words to say to the crowd, mommy?
Yes, remember to subscribe to Mary's Time Cooking.
Yes, no man.
Yes, and we will all enjoy it with us. We will carry to the journey.
Yes, alright. So see it there. Leave a comment below. There you go. Mommy in the kitchen, Mary's Time. Mommy, see it then, man. To all my existing and new subscribers, I just want to give you a heads up that I do have a family channel called Mary's Time Family. So if that's something you're interested in, head on over there, hit subscribe and see that video when I surprise my mom.